The Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo is the ultimate kitchen companion for a variety of cooking needs. Before we dive in, the link to this product is in the description below. We recommend you to check the latest price for your convenience. Whether you're air frying a quick snack or preparing a meal for a large gathering, this versatile appliance will elevate your cooking experience. This toaster oven combo combines the power of an air fryer and a multi-cooker, making it perfect for everything from quick after-school snacks to family meals. It has 24 different cooking presets, including options for ribs, defrosting, baking, toasting, chicken, pizza, pastry, slow cooking, roasting, reheating, and keeping food warm. With all these preset options, you can easily cook your favorite dishes with just the press of a button, making meal prep a breeze. One of the standout features of this air fryer toaster oven combo is its ability to perfectly toast your bread. The oven has a unique feature that automatically turns off when the countdown timer ends, ensuring you never have to worry about burnt toast again. The indicator light turns red while toasting and switches to blue when the timer is done, signaling that the oven has turned off. It's a small but important feature that adds to the convenience of using this appliance. You can also place the rack at the indicated toast position to get perfect results every time. The dual-speed fan of this air fryer is another impressive feature. The 360-degree superheated air circulation creates golden fried crispiness that mimics the results of deep frying, but without all the oil. Whether you're making crispy fries, chicken wings, or even roasted vegetables, the fan ensures that heat circulates evenly, delivering the perfect crisp texture without excess fat. With its 26-quart capacity, this countertop oven is designed for larger meals. You can prepare food for 4 to 6 people or cook a 6-pound chicken for your family or guests. It's large enough to bake a 12-inch pizza, making it ideal for both everyday meals and hosting gatherings. The generous capacity ensures that you can cook large portions without needing to use a traditional oven. The stainless steel exterior of this air fryer toaster oven combo gives it a sleek, modern look that fits well in any kitchen. The elegant French doors open with a single pull, making it easy to access the oven's interior, while the interior light allows you to monitor your food while it cooks. This design not only adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen, but it also makes cooking more convenient and accessible. In addition to the advanced cooking functions and user-friendly design, this appliance comes with 7 accessories to help you make the most of its capabilities. Whether you're using the included baking pan, air fryer basket, or rotisserie spit, you have everything you need to start cooking right away. The Emeril Lagasse Extra Large F.